Nivinde kigomano kia mithenya iri kiria kiraretete vamwe arugamiria mathukuru ma uvundi thini wa thukuru wa Kiambu National Polytechnic niguo kuthurima mutaratara wa mathomo ma kiuvundi wa CBET. Mwandiki mukaro wa ruvunge rwa mathomo ma kiuvundi Esther Moria ugite kavinda nigakinyuka mathukuru mau kunora arutwo na kumava ugi uria uragendania na mavataro mandikani kavinda rigaka. Moria korota undu ucio ngikinyanira angikorwa mathukuru ma uvundi ne maukuru na unyitaniri na andikani niguo makuru makivariria arutwo kuringana na ugi uria urendekana ni makambuni na iganda ndari na nja wa bururi.
We still have issues in implementation, but I can assure you with the rich resources that we have, we are actually doing a lot. As we look at what we have, Madam PS, once again, it is important to say that as the National Polytechnics, now we have curriculum for level 7. It is still another way of carrying out the reforms, and we hope that we are going to hold our hearts together so that we can be able to have one of our technical universities being able to come up with a curriculum where our level 7 students will be able to do their masters.
Moria gakanyiriria mutaratara wa mathomo ma kiuvundi bururi-ri ni uvateria kwambiriria kuvesana mathomo ma maugi ma kiriu maria mareyumiria ta ma AI maria rauganwa nginya arutwo makure na ugi wa moniguo makure na uvoti na usindani wa kwigana wa kwigiramia kia mawira.
This meeting is convened at a pivotal moment as the country accelerates the transition towards a skill-based innovation-driven economy. The role of TVET has never been more fundamental and strategic.
Kwa kiwata miario ya Moria mbaruga vitha munene wa kanju ya kugacithia mutaratara wa CBET Kisiru Kaitange augite kuma mutaratara ucio wathundurwo mwaka wa 2018 ni ukoretwo na ugaciru munene mwenari wa arutwo ni tondu gwa kavinda kanini arutwo ni marathoma na kugia ugi uria ramatithie kwandika na kwandikana ni makambuni na iganda.
If there is any concern that the top government has in this country is for the youth, and for them to have a skill, and the person standing between that skill and the youth is me and you.
Nake muikarigite wa muungano wa mathukuru monthe ma kiuvundi bururi-ri David Mwangi akiuga ni makuthie na mbere na kunyitirira mutaratara wa CBET ni ndo mwega maguo wanethingia gukorwo kwina mathina maria maramagomera ma kimbesa. Vandori va Kameme TV ni Beta Dennis Fundi.